Good morning, students. My name is Sneha Srivastav and you can call me Sneha ma'am. Actually, most of us, we already know each other. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to grade 5. From today, we would be starting our GSE classes. So welcome you all to GSE e-learning classes. Let's see what's the first chapter in your GSE. The first chapter in your GSE is growing plants. In this chapter, we would see the various methods from which a new plant grows. What are the various methods through which a new plant can be grown? So let's start. First of all, we can categorize plants into two categories. First is the category of those plants which produces seeds. Plants which produces seeds. Examples: mangoes, kiwi, all the beans like rajma, lobia, tomatoes, bitter gourd, karela, brinjal, bangan, ladyfinger, that is bhindi. So these are the few examples of seed producing plants. So in such type of plants, the new plant is grown or is reproduced from the seed. Understood? In such type of plants which produces seed, the new plant is reproduced or grown from the seed. This seed will give rise to the new plant after germination. The second category, that means those plants which do not produce seeds, seed non-producing plants. Those plants which do not produce seeds. Let us take few examples: carrot, gajar, beetroot, chucandar, potato, ginger, rose, China rose are examples of such plants which do not produce seeds. Then how will be the new plants will be grown in such kind of plants? In such type of plants which do not produce seeds, the new plants are grown from other parts of the plant. Now, what do I mean by other parts of the plant? The other part means from the root, the new plant can be reproduced. From the stem, the new plant can be reproduced. From the leaves, the new plant can be reproduced, or from the spores, the new plant can be reproduced. In such type of plants, the root can give rise to a new plant, the spore can give rise to a new plant, the stem can give rise to a new plant, or a leaf can give rise to new plant. In the upcoming videos, we will see in detail how a root can grow into a new plant, which are the plants which are grown from roots, which all are the plants which are grown from stem. We'll see this in the upcoming videos. I hope you understood this basic difference. Now let's meet in the next video to discuss further. Thank you.